I don't know about you, but we love solar generators. They're perfect for prepping and preparedness, disasters, and camping. We have followers all the time tell us we should check out EcoFlow. It's amazing. It's an ecosystem of devices and units that work together. This is the EcoFlow Wave 2. It's a portable heater and air conditioner all in one. This is perfect. In a disaster, it can keep you cold or warm, or if you're camping in an RV or a tent, or if you're traveling in your car. Now what's beautiful about this, besides it being compact, is that there are multiple ways to power it and keep it going. Now the first way to power it is just simply plug it into the wall. You go over to this little door and open it up, and you notice there's all kinds of jacks in here. We're going to talk about all of them soon, but we're going to talk about this one right now. First we plug it in here, and then we plug it into the wall. Okay, we'll turn the unit on in a minute. But plugging it into the wall is probably the easiest way. I mean, there's outlets everywhere. Or are there? Now, if there are no outlets where you are, you have this battery. This heater and air conditioner can be battery powered. Now, while lifting it, make sure you lift it straight up. Don't tilt it. Put it on, line it up, and then slide it into place. That means it's locked in. Now, with this little adapter, we're going to connect a battery to the unit electrically. It's really simple. You just place it here and here, push it in, and then we're going to plug it into the wall. Now these little lights indicate that it's charging. This is really neat. Not only can you tell that it's charging, but if you peel this back over here, you can see you have a place to charge a USB or USB-C. Because of that, the battery can power your small devices without the heating or the cooling being on, but a second way to power it up is using the cigarette adapter in your car. Let's go check it out. Now let's begin by plugging this cord into this jack here. Then you plug the other end into the car, keeping the unit charged while you go. This unit is perfect for road trips. It keeps you toasty warm or nice and cold. But there's also a third way of powering up, using your EcoFlow Delta 2 Max solar generator. All you have to do is turn on your AC power and plug it in. Look, there it is. It's charging again. Now, obviously, you can use any EcoFlow solar generator. You don't need the Delta 2 Max. A bonus, though, is that you don't need the battery to run the heating and the air conditioner. All you have to do is just plug it straight into this solar generator, and there you go. You don't need a battery. Now, let's be honest. I love this battery. It makes it completely portable for boondocking and tent camping. Now, let's talk about actually using it. If you want it as a heater, you need it just as it is. You don't need anything else, and it makes your room nice and toasty. Now, if you want it as an air conditioner, you need these two ducts. It takes all the hot air and pushes it outside, making your room nice and cold and chilly. Now, let's start setting up as an air conditioner. To keep it simple, there are 4 ducts. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Basically, this one is where the nice, cool air will come from. However, you don't want hot air, so for these two, you're going to have to hook up ducts. But we have to put these plates on first. Super simple. Big one goes back here. Small one goes over here. We're going to put the big duct on first. Put it on. Turn it until it's in place. Now it's locked. Same thing for this one. Put it in. Turn it. Locked in too. You're going to have to expand the ducts out all the way. So. This one too. That's good. You're going to take your DIY vent board, open your window, put your board in, make sure the big one is on the bottom, close your window so it's locked in place, then adjust your ducts. Since it's all hooked up, you can move the unit around any way you want. Let me show you how it works though. Air comes in, hot air goes out, cold air comes out here, and now all you have to do is power it on. These two adjust the temperature, down or up, efficiency or night mode. If you notice, it has 2 hours of battery life right now. However, a full battery is 8 hours. This one controls the speed of the fan, 3 settings, and this one over here has 3 settings too. You have cold air, hot air, or just the fan. Now what's really cool is that there's also an app, so you can do everything that's on the screen on the app here. You can change it to cool, change the temperature up and down. Now if you're sitting down, you don't have to get up to go control things. However, you don't have to have the app to make it work. It just makes it extra fun. Now we're out in a tent because we love camping. And if you're anything like me, you might need an air conditioner during the summer. For the air conditioner, you only need one duct, and it brings all the cold air into your tent, making it nice and cold. However, if you need your heat instead for those cold months, you need to bring the duct over here, and it will bring all the warm air into here. Now, let me tell you why we love our EcoFlow systems. They all work together like one giant ecosystem. We have our EcoFlow Wave 2 connected to the battery, connected to the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, all working together to bring us air conditioning or heat. Better yet, you can connect your solar panels to your solar generator. Instead of getting 8 hours for your battery, you can more than double it, bringing lots of power for your air conditioning and your heating. Now is the perfect time to get the EcoFlow Wave 2. There's an anniversary sale going on. It ends June 29th, and you can get up to 40% off and a free car vent, which you cannot buy on its own. Click on the link in the description to get yours today. I'm so happy we got this. It's going to make road trips and camping so much easier and so much more fun. Thanks for watching.